You need to hear this if you're a writer looking to make money online. Let's dive in. Here's the scoop, folks. Making $10,000 online writing isn't a dream, it's totally doable. First, find your niche. Love cooking? Write recipes. Obsessed with tech? Review gadgets. Next, create a portfolio. Show off your best work. Use free platforms like Medium or WordPress to get started. Now pitch, pitch, pitch. Don't be shy. Reach out to blogs, websites, and even local businesses. Offer value and be persistent. Tools like Upwork and Fiverr can be goldmines. Just remember, quality over quantity. And don't forget, network. Join writing groups on Facebook or LinkedIn. Connect with other writers and potential clients. Your next big gig could be one message away, so grab your keyboard and start typing. With hard work and these tips, you can hit that $10,000 mark. Keep writing, keep earning. You've got this.